welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is 6 aerobic step workouts part 5. If you haven't seen part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, you can check it out on the playlist 6 aerobic step workouts. I'll be including the link on the description box below. So I'll be using one of my favorite workout equipments, the aerobic step, the stepper, the fitness steps. I've been using this since 2018, since I started my weight loss journey. And you can buy this from any of your local sports store or online. I bought this from Shopee for around 1,500 pesos, including the shipping. And if you don't have this, you can use a bench or the bottom part of your stairs. Just make sure it is stable and durable enough to carry your weight. We'll be doing a lot of stepping on and off the stepper. There won't be no jumping, no rough moves, but please step accordingly to avoid untoward incident. And for added resistance, as usual, you can use your dumbbells, kettlebells, weight belts, and resistance band. So get your stuff ready. This is 6 aerobic step workouts part 5. Tara, workout tayo.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
This is 6 aerobic step workouts part 5. We'll be doing inclined exercises using the aerobic step. First up is inclined knee touch. Let's start. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is inclined wood chop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is inclined glute bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is inclined figure 4 lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is inclined leg hip extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Last up is inclined opposite leg arm reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's about it. Your 6 aerobic step workouts, part 5. Please stay tuned for part 6. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.